Hi friends, what would happen if you met a dinosaur? Let's find out. Suppose you meet a dinosaur is the name of our story. Where are they? There's a shopping cart and there's a basket. Let's find out. That's a good clue. Shopping basket, groceries in there. She's holding a shopping basket. Let's find out. Suppose you're shopping at the grocery store. Surprise! You see a dinosaur. This doesn't happen every day. So what are you supposed to say? What would you say? Hello, I'm pleased to meet you. That's a good idea. Imagine that the dinosaur is standing by the bathroom door. You have to go to the bathroom. She's in the way. Quick, what's the proper thing to say? Excuse me. Commotion in the produce aisle. The dinosaur upsets a pile of apples and they roll away. If you pick them up, what will she say? Thank you. That's a good idea. All that help. Your shopping cart begins to spin. It dings the dinosaur on the shin. She roars a terrifying roar. What do you tell the dinosaur? I'm sorry. The dinosaur then gives you 4 banana chips, which you adore. She asked you, would you like some more? How do you answer the dinosaur? Yes, please. Those do look yummy. When you want to buy some butter brittle, yikes, you need another nickel. The dinosaur says, here's a dime. What are the magic words this time? Thank you. Here is your change. Would you like some butter brittle? Brickle? The dinosaur is worried that the brickle snack would make her fat. She does not want to eat it, and even slightly. How do you let her know politely? No, thank you. You find her glasses on the floor. I hand them to the dinosaur. She smiles and says, why, thank you, dear. What words does she expect to hear? You are welcome. Being polite is really a good thing. Out the door of the grocery store trumps the friendly dinosaur. She's waving as she drives away. I'm sure you know what words to say. Goodbye. It was nice to meet you. See you soon. Very nice manners of the dinosaur. Bye, friends.